Alright, welcome to the Riviera Maya, the Caribbean Sea, Playa del Carmen. Hopefully you can hear me over this music, so I'll speak up a little bit. I am at the Panama Jack Resort in Playa del Carmen. Just want to show you my view from my third floor suite up here on the top. I've got a big balcony. You got the pool right down here. And the Caribbean Sea is right there. I mean, look how close that is. You got some paragliding, parasailing out there right now. See out there? And the ferry pier is right there, and the ferry takes passengers. You probably can't see this on this video, but Cozumel, the island, is right out there. You can actually see the skyscrapers or the hotel buildings way off into the distance. Weather has been in the 80s. A few little spits of showers, but it looks like for the next 3 or 4 days might have some rain, but we'll see. We'll see. But having a really good time, meeting some really cool people. Been taking a lot of walks downtown Playa del Carmen. I get up in the morning, get my steps in, and people watch and stuff. And this morning, I picked up some mango tequila. I stopped in a little street shop, and the old guy just gave me probably about 6 shots of tequila to sample. This is before 9 o'clock in the morning, so it was already lit up early in the morning. But he had some mango tequila, and I was like, oh my god, this thing would make a hell of a margarita. Wow. But yeah, I'm up here on the top of the world here in this resort. Beautiful room. Huge freaking room. This is the bar right down there. And the resort isn't that crowded at all. Yesterday seemed to be a lot more busy, but man, it just seems like it's not just that many people here, so it's really relaxing. Oh, there goes the ferry right there. See the ferry right there? That's going out to Cozumel. So cool. So cool. All right, so what do you do on vacation? Eat, drink, sleep, party. That's what this place is about. Get away from the snow and COVID and all that. They still wear masks here, but pretty nice. Pretty darn nice. And we'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you can hear me.